Hey everyone, Fatty from Pack a Punch Traders here. Gonna go over the top plays for tomorrow, August 3rd. We got AEMD, PETZ, GOVX, CMRA, and OST. CMRA here, first one up. We got a solid push from the mid ones into mid to high fours, and now we have a backside setting in. So, gonna keep an eye on this for a potential multi-day bounce. Low float does have the ability to move. The only thing concerning to me is not much volume on this pullback here, so we'll see if there's any shorts that will be able to get squeezed. But nonetheless, a solid setup that we've played many times. Just keep an eye out for any bottoming action, breaking to new highs, looking for a quick 10-15% squeeze. Likely continues after that. On average, they spike 30%. But yeah, so just look for the multi-day bounce on CMRA, and same thing with GOVX. An amazing mover going from 40 cents or so here, 60 cents, and getting all the way up to 420s, 430s. And now we have the backside setting in. First real red day here. Some solid selling coming in. Has the ability to move. I think this one might be a better candidate for a multi-day bounce. I really like GOVX setting up for tomorrow. Might not be tomorrow, but as a top play, I think this one has more going for it. Still, I'll still be watching CMRA, but GOVX, I like it a little bit more. There's more sellers coming into this, making me think, once this has its backside, shorts are up a bit. Once it really sets that bottom and starts reversing trend on the short sellers, we'll get that squeeze that we typically look for from shorts covering their position, locking in gains, and dip buyers coming in as well. Next up, PETZ. Here we got a weak first green day here. Volume is not that significant, but still has a history of running, super low float. Is there any news on this in the morning? Okay. Still, good reaction here, just no volume. So we're gonna wait and see how this reacts tomorrow. If there's any more volume coming in, if there is, and it starts breaking previous high day, holding 3-ish, I think it has a good chance of getting to the next resistance area in the mid threes, and then from there you can play that breakout as well. It is a low float. If the demand sustains, keeps coming in, we could get a pretty solid squeeze. And based off its history, this is probably the best sustaining move it's had. Besides that, it's all one and dones. So I do expect shorts to be coming in on this heavy, as they probably already did here a bit into the spike. Some decent selling here. So any spike tomorrow on this, I'm thinking is going to get shorted. So just looking for the failure to break down, reclaim to new highs, hold and confirm whole dollar, half dollar area of 3, and from there see how it reacts in the mid threes. If it confirms that area, that resistance breakout level, it could get to 4, ideally mid fours, but at least 4 area. Whole dollar, half dollar should be a key area. But yeah, this is going to be exciting. The volume does really come back to this, as it is a low float. So demand really is strong, and the trend is there as usual. We see these kinds of plays just continue to hold up and squeeze higher and higher. So just keep an eye on the volume and the trend, and if it's holding key areas. Next up, AEMD. This was a great plan I had. It did the plan here after hours, unfortunately. If the breakout level keeps holding, could come back for a previous high day break, then squeeze to the high twos. Got to a little bit over 3 here, and the breakout level we're talking about is the 170s here. It closed at 199, dipped a little bit after hours when I was making the watch list and posted it, and yeah, it just took off. So we'll adjust the plan for AEMD tomorrow. See if there's any continuation. If I'm pretty sure it's healthcare. Yeah, healthcare play. We'll see if monkeypox still keeps moving these healthcare plays. This could be something, even though it did get to 3 already. If it fails to break down, you know, it really could squeeze higher. There's no telling how high things could go. There's a couple of decent plays today that really went off 100% plus. So nothing's ruled out. So yeah, I'm just gonna update this one in the morning. I already posted the watch list and I already posted it without OST. I just came back to look if there's anything I missed. I did miss OST. We'll go over that right now. Um, so yeah, I already posted the watch list on Twitter. If you want to check us out there, Pack a Punch Traders. But this one's gonna be more of a reaction. I'll update it in the morning because it did what I want now, and I got to see something else from it that might line up as a pattern of mine to play again, or else it's a no play for me. OST. Here we got kind of a choppy play. Had a clean spike, but during this consolidation, but just a bunch of back and forth. Low float, low market cap, held trend all day very well. Really nice open price reclaim here. Totally missed this one today. We got a breakout in the 240s that it has confirmed. Closed at 275. And it reached mid threes pretty much. So we're going to be waiting to see if we get a continuation of this breakout, as it did confirm the breakout level here as it was consolidating in the mid twos, high twos. So if this doesn't gap up massively and it's a misplay, keep an eye on this. If it could keep holding around 3, excuse me, this could definitely come back to the 339, 340 high from today. And if it confirms that area, could definitely see at least 4 next whole dollar, half dollar area. That could give it a hard time. But yeah, so that's the top plays. So we'll just wrap it up there. OST, CMRA, GOVX, PETZ, and AEMD. We'll just wrap that up. Hope it was a great day. I'll have another video lesson out in a moment, going over the day and just some of the lessons. But doing this late, already tired. I'm rambling. Don't want to waste anyone's time here. Have a great one. We'll catch you guys later.